Many people eat okra just because it's food, but they don't know how powerful okra is for the body. Yes, that okra we see in the market every day. Some people call it okra, while some other persons call it lady's finger. Welcome to Nurse D Elite Global Consult. In this place, we dish out on daily basis natural health tips that will help you, that will benefit you and keep you away from hospital. If it's something that interests you and you have not joined this family, why not hit on the subscribe button, give this video a very big thumbs up, share to everyone around you, and on your notification bell so that anytime I send a post like this, you will be the first person to get it. So in today's class, I'm going to be explaining okra and its benefits in a very simple way. The first question is, what is okra? Okra is a green vegetable. It grows easily. It is cheap and it's full of natural goodness. One thing about okra is the slimy water inside it. Many people don't like that slimy parts, but that slimy part is where most of the healing power is. Now, what are the benefits of eating okra or drinking okra water? It is good for digestion. If you experience constipation, hard stool, bloating, slow digestion, okra can help you. These slimy parts of okra coat your stomach and intestine. It helps food move smoothly inside the body. Think of it like oil on a dry engine. If you eat okra regularly, especially lightly cooked or okra water, you will stool better. Your stomach will feel lighter. You won't struggle in the toilet. The number 2 benefit of eating okra is it helps control blood sugar. This one is very important. Okra helps people with high blood sugar, diabetes, sugar fluctuation. The fiber in okra helps slow down how sugar enters the blood. And that means sugar will not rise too fast. The body can manage it better. Some people soak okra in water overnight and drink the water in the morning. This is a natural method many people use. It does not replace hospital treatments, but it helps the body naturally. The number 3 benefit of eating okra or drinking okra water is good for the heart. Okra helps replace bad cholesterol in the body. Too much bad cholesterol can block blood vessels, and that can lead to high blood pressure, heart problems, stroke. Okra helps clean the blood slowly and naturally. If your blood flows well, your heart will work better. The number 4 benefit of taking okra water or cooking okra is it helps men and women sexual health. Now, let's be honest. Okra helps with blood flow, energy, hormonal balance. For men, better blood circulation, better performance. For women, hormone support, better body balance. Remember, sexual health starts from blood flow and nutrition, not magic drugs. Okra supports the body naturally. The number 5 benefits of taking okra is good for the stomach lining. If you have ulcer, burning sensation, acid problems, okra helps protect the stomach. The slimy part forms a natural protective layer inside the stomach, and that reduces irritation and pain. The number 6 benefit of eating okra is okra helps with weight control. Okra keeps you full for a long time, and that means you won't eat too much and you will not snack anyhow. It is low in calories but high in fiber. Very good for people trying to lose weight, control belly fat, eat healthier. The number 7 benefit of eating okra is okra boosts immunity. Okra contains vitamins and antioxidants. These help the body fight sickness. Okra boosts immunity. Okra contains vitamins and antioxidants. These help the body fight sickness. If your immunity is strong, you fall sick less. Your body recovers faster. The number 8 benefits of drinking okra water or eating okra is good for pregnant women. Okra contains folates, which helps baby development. It also helps prevent constipation during pregnancy. But pregnant women should eat it normally as food, not excessive soaking or raw intake without advice. How to use okra naturally. Here are some simple ways you can use okra. The first one is cook okra lightly. Do not overcook it. Too much heat kills the nutrients. The number two is okra water. Wash okra, cut it, soak in clean water overnight. Drink the water in the morning. The number three method or way of eating okra is add okra to soup and meals. Simple, natural, effective. Now, what are some important warnings of eating okra? Everything that has advantage has its own disadvantage. So the important warning for eating okra is, though okra is good, but too much of everything is bad. Eating it moderately. If you are on medication, maybe diabetic drugs, high blood pressure drugs, or any form of medication, always monitor your body. Natural does not mean careless. Now, in conclusion, nature has already given us medicine. Before running to strong drugs, look at what is already on your plates. Okra is simple, cheap, and powerful. If this message helped you, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, share it with someone you care about, because good health is meant to be shared. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and natural. See you on our next video.